We are now in the construction process of the Dovra Rig X610, and here we can currently see a bit of what it looks like behind the scenes. What you can see most clearly here is our inverter and charger. Below is the solar charge controller, and next to that we have the Serbo GX, where we extract all the information. Above that is our battery protect, which can shut down the entire system either manually or automatically if something happens, like the batteries reaching a too low charge level, and so on. Behind all of this hardware is our two batteries stacked on top of each other, barely visible. The Victron batteries has a total capacity of 400 amps together. Down here we can see the brain of our system. This is the computer that controls the entire MBAC. Through this hardware we control all of the functions on our motorhome's two screens, both the front screen and the one above the kitchen. So basically, everything we control is connected to this module. Here to the right of the MBAC is one of our many custom-designed circuit boards. From here, this particular circuit board controls all the lighting. This is where we control both cool and warm light, as well as the amount of light we want for each individual fixture. And also behind here, we have circuit boards with all the relays and another circuit board that controls our awning. Compared to what's common in the motorhome industry, we're really operating on a completely different level. Here, for example, we have our solar charge controller, which is rated at 50 amps. This means we can essentially double the number of solar panels. At the moment, we currently have 400 watts, and we can connect 2 more additional solar panels using the same solar charge controller. Here we can also see our router for both internal and external Wi-Fi. To the left of it, you can see our fuse holder. With its clear plastic lid, you can see all the fuses, and on the inside of the door, which will be installed shortly, there will be a simple wiring diagram showing what each fuse is for. In between here, we have 2 buttons. One is called main power and the other is called 12 volt. And the thing is, if you switch off the 12 volt, you cut power to all the consumers in the vehicle, which can be useful, for example, if you're leaving your vehicle and want to be sure that nothing is drawing power. Then you cut the 12 volt, and in that way, there's no consumption of anything from the battery. It can also be useful if you want to reset something. Just switch this button. To the left we have the main power, and when you switch that one off, you also cut the charging to all the batteries. Simply explained, we cut all functionality between all Victron components by turning off the main power, which can be useful for storing your motorhome for the winter.